Alright, PB here. New permission. Here in the rail town. Spoke to the property owners yesterday. Spent about 90 minutes with them talking about the history of the town. And they gave me permission to come out in some fields they've got right in the middle of town that have never been built on. So should be interesting to see what we find. First decent signal, and it was about 5 inches down, and that is a bird. It's a brass bird. You can see the head right there, the eye, the beak. It's almost like a robin redbreast out of England. It's got the little turned up tail, which means it wouldn't be a robin redbreast, but that's interesting. It's a small brass bird. Oh, there's a first, I guess. Just found a hinge of some type. Now the area that I'm in was never built on, house-wise, building-wise, permanent structure-wise. A lot of tents and a lot of ramshackle type buildings. There was a fire here 1871, and after which I guess the town council banned temporary structures within the city limits. So who knows, that might be, I don't know. It looks almost like it's melted a little bit. That'd be a heck of a fire though to do that. So anyway, cool. Well, now I just dug a big old axe head. Cool. Stay right there till I'm done. Now I just dug a humongous piece of lead. You can see where it spilled out, and this was the bottom. The flat part's the top. So everything I'm finding that's older is that's down below the 6-inch mark. So that's good though. Anyway, yeah, that's cool. Nice piece of lead. Just got a part of a spoon handle. Looks like it's copper, which would be correct for the period. So that's cool. I'll take it. Okay, so I've done one loop around the perimeter of this field, and this is what I've got to show for it. 1, 2, 3 pieces of lead right there, piece of cut brass, spoon handle, the hinge, part of a clock, travel clock, a little bird, piece of glass, iron bowl, don't think it's grape shot, and this, which might be the back to a pocket watch, I'm not sure. So not bad. I've been going at it, well, I'd say about 45 minutes, so I'm happy. And now I'm going to do another circuit just inside the perimeter now, and see what we get then. Well, just dug part of a lantern. Still got the it's got the patent date on the end of the handle right there. That'd be cool. So that's cool. I'll clean it off and get most of the mud off. Anyway, nice find. Okay, well, I cleaned it off, and it came apart, but that's okay. It's actually hinged right there. So it hinged open like so, and then there's your clip on the other side that the clips inside the mantle part right there. I can't read what's on there yet. So, but that's cool. Nice bit of a lantern. I'll take it. Don't know if I'm going to find much in the way of military stuff here. I'm not expecting it. But obviously going to find lots of signs of life from the 1870s here, which is cool. Alright, I just dug this hole and got me a padlock, a complete one. Front's there, back's here. Yeah, I dinged it with the shovel. Yeah, I don't know if you can make it out, but it says CPRR, Central Pacific Railroad. So that is find of the day right now, plus the chain that was with it. Very cool. I'm happy with that. Now I just found part of a curry comb. There's been like 4 or 5 of these, and they've been used to rake the, with a handle obviously, on a flat thing, used to rake horse's fur. Nice. Well, right here in the shadow, obviously, ground is frozen. It's coming out in small chunks. Got a solid 81. Dug. It's taken about 5 minutes to get to this stage, but hey, is anybody missing a toy P51D Mustang? Because that's what it looks like to me, based off the wing. That is funny. Oh, that's blooper find of the day. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, that's cool. I'll dig it out. I could not believe it. And there's the imprint of it right there. So, that's cool. That's cool. Plain imprint. Very funny. That is hilarious. Anyway, alright. Let's keep digging. To be a little informal, please excuse the rooster. I'm heading over to the property owners to show them what I found, or what have you. But a couple of things. Got a buckle, got a P51. Interesting piece of metal here. It's actually got 2 square holes from 2 square nails punched in it. That's what used for. Here's your curry comb piece of brass, the spoon, the other stuff from earlier on. Highlight probably being the spade of shame on the CPRR padlock, and yeah. So yeah, not bad. Let's see, it's just gone 1 o'clock, so theoretically I've been out here 3 hours, and yeah, I can't complain. Got some pottery down deep. A lot of the stuff was down really deep. So I don't know whether it's just over time that it sunk down, or if in fact there was a oh, he is mad. If there was fill brought in, I got no idea. But nothing really small. No buttons, nothing like that. So anyway, oh, I almost forgot. I did find a round ball too. Where's it at? There it is. It's in here. Excuse me. I did find that round ball too. Looks about a 54 caliber to me. So anyway, yep, that's it. I've got some photos which I took along the way of some of the finds, and I'll post them at the end. Alright, well, I appreciate you coming along, and until next time, good luck and happy hunting. See ya. Bye. Oh.